Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be decorating for Thanksgiving, and this is probably one of my favorite holidays to decorate for, although I do say that in all of my decorating videos. I don't want to skip over Thanksgiving, and if people want to decorate for Christmas, that's great. You know, I totally get it because I'm tempted to do the same thing, but I am gonna decorate for Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving's one of my favorite holidays. I just have one tote. I just limit myself to one tote for each holiday except for Christmas. So I'll show you guys a little bit of what I got and then we'll get started. Here is my tote of Thanksgiving decorations, and this one is a new one for this year. I thought it was so hilarious. I don't think it works because I did wash it. And then I got these cute little placemats. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I just thought they were so adorable with the pumpkins and all the cows and sheep and the chickens. I don't know, I just wanna do something with these. And of course my Thanksgiving signs. I think these I had for last year. I think I put these out. My Thanksgiving lights and lots of fun stuff in here. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys.